and we're going into the pose. Ladies, during the lean, it's very important for you to flex your core muscles and stiffen up your entire body. It's kind of like doing a plank because you're going to lean against your partner. It's going to look like this, to the side and out. Make sure to have a connection through your hips. Avoid leaning on the man with your upper body too much, rather focus on leaning against him with your hips. If you feel comfortable, you can lead your right hand to the side, but if that's too tricky and you're losing your balance, give your right hand to the man as well for a better support. So this is a simpler version. For the man, it's also easier to hold the partner, but if you go for the more advanced version, you can keep your left hand behind your back while leading the lady's rotation, and as you go into the pose, lead the hand to the side. You will still have to grab the lady's hand at the end because we need that for the next part. During the lean, just shift your body weight to the left, bend your left knee, just make sure to adjust the depth of this pose to what you feel comfortable with. Let's now focus on leading the lady's rotation before the lean. We're after the step away from each other. Now take a small step to the partner, leading the lady into the rotation, same as before, but this time keep holding her hand all the time. Make sure to end up very close to each other. Give your other hand to the lady or not, depending on the version. Just make sure not to go into the lean until you feel the proper connection with your partner and you are sure that the lady is leaning against you with her hips. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4.